Good morning, everybody. This is a nice, bright, sunny morning. It's Friday, I think. I'm not sure. But while I'm heating up my coffee for the breakfast, I was taking a look at the oven that was here, and I'm gonna see if I can put some propane through it. Maybe I can make some eggs and some bacon this morning. Be nice. Nice change. Well, there's my coffee. So let's take a look at this too. Maybe that's something that can be fixed. It does not. What do I got? Huh? All right. Now we're cooking with gas. No, close to it. If I get a screwdriver, I can take the fitting that actually is on the stove, the barbecue, put it on here. At least it'll be an off valve. So let's go get that. Well, I don't smell anything. Use the right one. That's nice. Oh, keep that. Wow. There's a little flare up here and there. I don't know if that's normal. Got the blue flame. Let's try and make some eggs.
I've removed the jungle and put it in that pile. I really need to get a dumpster now and have the kids over to help for a little bit. Hey everybody, okay, so I've ordered a waste bin for next week. Get rid of all the garbage and the brush and everything that we've been working at ripping out of the house. But I gotta bite the bullet and go down into the mines of Moria and start cleaning that out so that we can get the beams so the house stays up and that I have everything out and have a plan for heating, which is another step that has to be done before it gets too cold. It's going to be difficult to do the heating because there's so much of the floorboards and everything that have to be changed. I don't want to be running heat ducts on stuff that I'm just going to rip out. So anyways, I got to get set up. So, all right, I'm set up. I think I'm ready to go. Be nice if I could find a hat, but I can't. Into the mines we go. There's a syringe. That's always nice to find right off the bat. So, let's get down here. Now, we know there's no end to this. Oh, Lord. I've forgotten my gloves. God damn it. Well. I'm going to put you there. Don't worry, I'll be back. Oh, let's see what kind of tools I need. Here we go. Mushrooms are growing nicely. They really have sprouted up a lot since we were here just the other day. Crazy. Now, all this is gone. This is coming out. That's coming out. Oh, good. Well, we're going to need a time lapse, I think. Let's go fast. So I backed the truck up so the hitch is lined up pretty close to the staircase. And I'm going to hook up this new 2,000 pound 12 volt DC electric winch. See if I can't use it to just pull everything out. So the winch comes with a nice little pull strap for something, a couple bolts, a book, very nice looking controller, and some long connectors. Nothing else. Pro point. It's got the mounting holes for your bolts. Read owner's manual before operating. Max capacity 2,000 pounds. I don't know if what I should do is find a plate to mount this on, and then a plate with a hook on it. See what I can find. That noise you hear is the fan blowing some fresh air down into the basement and hopefully pushing all the shitty stuff out. Later on I'll get it just down there and forcing it out. Today we're going to do a little bit of fabricating. Today we're going to fabricate a bracket so that I can mount the 2,000 pound winch onto the trailer hitch of my truck, and that way we can start pulling stuff out of the basement, and it'll make a nice handy way to utilize it in the future as well. We can just keep it with the truck. So let's get some parts together and see what we can do. I found an old bracket, rusty but solid. I've assembled this new Pro Point 2,000 pound winch, and in assemble I mean I attach these so that it will accept the pin. So let's get some pieces. This. Baker. If you go ahead and design something like this for 2 tons, whether you make it so that the bolts will actually take 2 tons, or do you say to hell with it? It's not my problem if the bolts snap. Solid. I could go get the cutoff thing, but I got this. Remember a little locking button there so it doesn't turn on you. that's gonna work good. That is gonna work good. Alright, let's see if this thing works. I got it hooked to the battery of the truck. So, ah, nice. There's number 2 coming out. Oh, you won't believe how many of these are coming out. It's time to drink a coffee and enjoy the rest of my day while the sun is still out. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button. Make sure to subscribe or click that bell so that you can catch the next episode of Digging into Life.